Every time you cancel a subscription, it's like dropping another coin into your piggy bank. It may not feel like much at the start, but those small wins add up month after month.
Something that makes me love using my Android smartphone is discovering new applications, and not just new but also useful, and shout outs to the developers on that. Here are 8 new lesser known Android utility applications you should try out. Good thing is they are all free to install, so grab them using the links in the video description. We are kicking off with this application called Bulk File Renamer, and as the name gives it away, you can easily rename multiple files at once with this application, and it's not complicated at all. You just select your files and you just make sure they are all in the same folder. Once you select them, there are several changes you can make to them, starting with the name, and then you get text processing, remove, replace, all the way to numbering, which is also useful. You get to choose to bring it before or after the name, that is the prefix or suffix, and there are other processing tools you can explore, and then you get to preview your changes and then confirm rename. The standard version of this application allows 75 file renaming per day, and you can also watch an ad to get 50 plus files, or you can upgrade to the premium version for unlimited file processing. I can swipe left on the phone's notch to open the calculator application, or swipe right to open ChatGPT, or even tap and hold to open settings. Your phone's Android status bar and notch area can be used for more than just showing app icons or the front camera. With this app called Notch Touch, you can single tap, double tap, or even triple tap to perform tasks like taking screenshots, opening an application, or toggling flashlight. You also get swipe gestures either to right or left to also perform certain tasks. Of course, there have been several other applications like this before, but you have to upgrade to premium to unlock more gestures. With this application, everything is totally free, allowing you to perform more tasks quickly. Plus, you can adjust the area where you make the gestures. If you have various subscriptions running, you definitely can use a dedicated application to track them. Reko is one clean, minimal, and functional subscriptions manager application I came across recently. First off, the interface is clean and not complicated, which makes it easy to use. It comes with tons of services which you can simply choose and add your details if you subscribe to any of them. Plus, it automatically categorizes each subscription. It supports tons of currencies and languages. You can back up your data to the cloud with premium version, which is around $6, and thanks to the developer, I have 50 promo codes to give away, which unlocks unlimited subscriptions tracking in multiple currencies and more. So I'll be posting them in my Telegram channel soon. Make sure you follow me on there. Link in the video description. Image Factory serves you on various forms of AI-based image editing. You get tools like Image Enhancer for sharpening low-quality images, and you get up to 4 times upscaling or even 16 times upscaling. Plus, the processing doesn't take too long. There is also Object Remover, which works super well, Image Colorizer, Low-Light Image Enhancer. It's like an all-in-one image manipulation tool, and you will definitely find this application useful at some point. Plus, there are no ads or in-app purchases. Still on images, another fairly new editing application is Modipix. It has the basic transform tools, adjustments, and it comes with lots in several categories too. So if you like to quickly apply filters to have different looks on your photos, you have them here. Although you have to upgrade to unlock all the lots, some are free to use. And if you like to post clean, minimal photos, you can easily create these looks using the Canvas tool, which adds backgrounds in various sizes and colors, including gradients and abstract background styles, with the blur tool also. There's also Frame, which adds some data to the image, and you can customize everything here. Moving on to the next application, this one looks exactly like an iOS application. It is called Gallery OS Plus Photos. Everything looks similar. It's got select and search on the homepage. You get the year, month, and all tabs at the bottom. You can switch to albums also. It's got a similar interface for image viewer. You see the favorite icon, the image details icon, and editing icon, and also has a similar interface for the photo editing page. And to add to everything, the app is rocking the liquid glass interface, and for a third-party iOS wannabe Android application, the glass effect isn't bad when scrolling. Let me know what you think about it also, and the only thing I hate about it is the loading time when the app is launched. It takes quite some time, plus image previews also lags a little bit, but this can actually be a go-to gallery application, definitely worth trying out. Next application is called Re-Alarm, which takes reminders to the next level. First off, you can easily create interval-based alarms, meaning one reminder can go off several times, and you can customize the intervals in days, hours, or minutes, and even choose to make it recurring or select particular days for it. You can add custom sounds for each alarm or use voice alarms.
This is a test alarm. This is a test alarm.
Add images, and on top of it all, you get to add stop challenges like solving math problems, shaking for a number of times, or scanning QR codes before the alarm stop ringing. It is pretty robust. The Material U interface also makes it easy to use, and you can do a local backup and exporting of your data in case you switch phones or sign up with your Google account. If you love consuming and sharing TikTok videos, TikTok allows you to save the videos to your phone. However, they save with watermark. Well, with this application called Downly, you can simply copy the video link to it and have the particular video saved without the watermark. It is free and there is no limit on the number of video saves. All these are new, lesser-known Android applications which definitely are super useful and worth installing. Again, they are all free to get, so download them using the links in the video description. And if you like the video, consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like while you're at it, and as always, thank you for watching.